Learn how to easily order without a minimum quantity surcharge in the Festo online shop. To do this, please first log in with your user account and password in the login area. A minimum quantity surcharge is charged up to an order value of €50 if you order via another ordering channel, such as email, but is generally not charged when ordering via the Festo online shop. Open an already saved shopping cart or add new products to your shopping cart. Click on Checkout in the shopping cart. Now all you have to do is complete the order details and confirm the terms and conditions. In the overview, you can see that no minimum quantity surcharge will be charged. After you have checked your order, complete it by clicking on Place Order.